Hi everybody, my name is Samantha and I'm an instructor with the Film Camp for Kids. Today we're going to talk about wants versus needs for your characters, and we're going to do it in 5 minutes. Character development can be hard. You're inventing an entire human being.
Oh, honey, I'm so sorry. You missed the delivery. But it's okay. Making the baby's the fun part.
There's a lot that's going to go into that. But understanding your character's wants and their needs will allow you to push the plot forward and the emotional stakes as well. Great characters are what keep us coming back time and time again. But it's one thing to say we love a character. It's another to examine the why of it. To do that, let's look at Inigo Montoya from The Princess Bride, Merida from Brave, and Regina Mills, aka the Evil Queen, from Once Upon a Time. No matter what your character looks like, they should have a clear external want. The want is generally known to your character and is their conscious objective, their goal. So Inigo wants to avenge his father's death.
I dedicated my life to the study of fencing. So the next time we meet, I will not fail.
Merida wants to change her fate.
Are you sure you know what you're doing? I want a spell to change my mum. That'll change my fate.
And Regina wants to steal Snow White's happiness.
Because you couldn't listen to me. You took my father. Haven't we both suffered enough? No.
But the character's want isn't necessarily what they need. Most characters have an unconscious innate need or internal goal that's basically what your character has to learn about themselves for them to grow and hopefully fulfill their want. While wants push plot, needs push themes and are what makes stories so emotionally compelling, though they are a little bit more complicated since they're generally unknown or completely rejected by your character. Take Merida, for example. She wants to change her fate, but needs to set aside her own pride and remember the importance of family. This movie would not have had me tearing up in theaters if Merida had just let her mom stay a bear forever.
Fate be changed. Look inside. Mend the bond torn by pride.
The bond wasn't the tapestry she had torn, but the rift between mother and daughter. So she found a new way to change her fate.
And find love. In our own time.
Furthermore, Inigo Montoya has arguably one of the most satisfying character arcs in a film.
Hello. My name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
When first introduced to him, we're led to believe he's a villain, but we quickly discover he has a strong sense of honor and determination. So much so that when it's discovered his father was slain right before his eyes, it draws us into the plotline and makes us want to see him succeed in his goal to avenge his father's death. When he finally does succeed, though, Inigo's lost.
Now that it's over, I don't know what to do with the rest of my life.
This is because he failed his need, to find his life's purpose. Thankfully, Wesley suggests a solution, and hopefully Inigo can finally find some peace. Which brings me to Regina. She lost someone very close to her because of Snow White, and then dedicated her life to destroying Snow White and everything she holds dear. What she needed to learn was that ruining everyone else's lives would never replace her own happiness or bring back her lost love. But Regina's character arc brings her from being the villain onto a path of redemption and eventually transforms her into the hero, which is what makes her such an amazing dynamic character.
How many lives have we taken trying to get what we want?
You can't be serious.
I am. Heroes don't kill.
Through failing her want over and over again, she finally realizes that darkness is not the answer, and maybe what she really wants is acceptance and love, which she could only find once she accepted her need. In this, we see the importance of bringing wants and needs together to write better stories. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more, consider taking my 1-hour class on character development. We'll go deeper into backstories, static versus dynamic characters, character profiles and writing exercises, and we'll even create a character together as a group. For that class and many other options, visit filmcampforkids.com to sign up. Hope to see you soon, and happy writing, everybody.